Design the entire facilitation center, and here itself there will be the integrated checking points also will be in the same location. So therefore we're very happy that this land was available, and as I said, most importantly we have finalized it and the entry point will be here, and I'm happy to inform everybody and all our in fact people from our state that the work for this particular entry point will start very soon.
How much time will it take to complete this process?
Of course, completion process might take a bit of, to complete the entire facilitation center might take us some time because it involves many things. But the work will start in the next month or so. And the basic infrastructure required for the entry point, that we'll be able to set up in a very short time. But as you know that the facilitation center on its own requires many things like the parking spaces required, like different departmental official sections will be there. So those might take a bit more time, and we will see as we go along. But most important is at least the entry point where the facilitation center itself will be there. That should not take too much of time. Hopefully we should be able to complete it in a very short period. But at least let the work start. Let's see how it progresses. The good part is that the decision has been made. The positive thing is that everybody is here. Everybody has been told to start the work immediately so that we can finish the work at the earliest. Basically, this land here, as you can see, this belongs to Transport Department, and we have been, in fact, in the past few months, we have been looking for a location for the entry point, which has been really something that's very important to our government. And we have tried to look at lands that we would purchase, and in the process we were able to identify a land that already belongs to the government, to the Transport Department, and therefore this has been something that's been quite kind of a practical proposition, and government has been able to save a lot of money also, because otherwise we'd have to spend a lot of money to buy land as well as to develop it. So I think it's a very positive step. And all the departments are out here. Our Honorable Minister Transport is here. Our Honorable Minister Urban Affairs is here. All the officials from the administration, our SP, our Tourism Department, Revenue Department, Transport Department. So we all have come together, and our engineers from PW Department are here. So we have finalized this location for the entry point, and I'm happy to inform you that the work also will start in the next few weeks or maximum a month's time. Already we have given the green signal to PWD department to design the place and
asal banca program jalan terjadi kita kenal nanti setiap nur bagi di kamp kelong kepada program kerang ba perlak bantel kamp dengan break barabar yang ba kejendon juga ni ke entry and exit point.
Ini bau kidan benar.
Tentang kau ini mah bayar lihat benar di kanan di jauh transport. Yang kalian juga transport bangun naik ha. Saya pergi dari Solo Monsiam, Bali. Sini lawan Hani lawan respect. Pemengi PNI bat dalang bat ngai bat abal. Ini lap pakai cakap kalau enggak. It's very good for the purpose. Ini yang itu di Pak Manu Indonesia gila. Mundur ni pandai dalang kali kita kaji tentang Pak Kumbala itu komentar yang beda buat kita. Akhirnya kita katain maka nunggu hidup kami kita akan berdekat pada kami kan kita paham. Sekarang kamu dah kok tak kita drawing in prepare itu how much kita kam kita itu kita prepare. Akhirnya hukum ke transport tu Pak Man beli. Disokmen bala dulu Pak kita akan mulai pelut para kita penting cekak ayo pada senika infrastruktur immediately. Para.